Hey there, welcome back to Digital Toolcase. In this video I want to show you some news about SEO Writing AI because they just released some interesting updates and I want to show you what's new in this AI writing tool, and it's really interesting. But before starting, if you like this kind of content, as always, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. This is the What's New page into SEO Writing AI, so let's take a look very quickly at these new improvements. We have the number one, enhanced readability, elevate your text. Now there is a new readability feature, you can activate it or not, and your text becomes more accessible and engaging, beneficial for your audience and for Google search visibility. We all know the new Google Core update got rid of many articles in the SERP, and I think these new updates for SEO Writing AI can be of help. In this example, they used the Hemingway app to compare the same article but with or without this enhanced readability feature, and here is the comparison. As you can see, this is without this new feature and this is with the new feature. As you can see in this Hemingway app, it's good, grade 9, it's easier to read and it's even shorter, as you can see with these words. The next new update is this Deep Web plus citation, so you can dive deeper for superior content. For this specific feature you need to use the premium and high models like GPT-4 128K Turbo, for example. So you can have citations, as you can see in this example, and you can have really deep factual articles, perfect maybe even for news articles. This is something Google will like a lot, especially after the last core update. Number 3, new professional tier plans. There is a new higher plan for SEO Writing AI. I will show you in a bit because this includes some of the new features. Number 4, model and limit updates, re-engineered models and so on. As you can see here, you have balanced, you have high and you have a premium depending on the quality you want. And as I said before, some of the new features like this Deep Web is usable only with the high and the premium AI model. Number 5, external linking to enrich your content automatically. So now you can have external linking. This is another new feature, really interesting to make your article more authoritative. What's next? The next updates will be internal linking, brand voice, rewrite, knowledge base, so you will be able to use your PDFs, YouTube URLs to give more fuel to your content, and user interface enhancements. But now let's take a look at this new professional tier plan so we can understand the differences between the usual plan. It was this one, $19 monthly, or if you want a yearly plan with $14 monthly. I have a special code, you can find it in the description if you want, with a discount, and this is the new professional plan. It's obviously more expensive, but as you can see, there are some differences. For example, with the starter one you have 50 article generations monthly. With this professional one, you have 150. Here you have a limit of 100,000 words monthly, and here you have unlimited words. The new readability mode is included in this starter plan, and obviously you also have this new feature here in the professional one. So the main differences for this professional plan are the number of articles, the unlimited words, the external linking. From what I see here, this option is only available for this professional plan. The same is for the Deep Web feature, so if you want deep web factual content you need this professional plan. And also for auto citations, you can see some example. Let's see here, and this feature gives you these little numbers here with citations directly near to the specific sentence. This can make your article really high quality. And as you can see here, you will be able also to use API with SeoWriting AI, but using this professional plan. So if you want, link is in the description, and I have a special discount code for you. Just check the description. Obviously, if you pay yearly, you have a way better price even for this professional one, and if you use my code, you can also save some more money. And now let me show you where these new features are in the workflow of SeoWriting AI. Here is the one-click blog post. So let's try to generate a news article so we can see how this deep web and citation works. I just found this page on the Reuters.com site, and let's take, for example, this OpenAI makes ChatGPTs accessible without requiring signing up. This is a today news. So let's use the same title. I will not use the URL because I want a completely new article, but using the same title. This is an experiment. Let's use ChatGPT as the main keyword. I want a small article, informational, second person, target United States. I need to use this high or premium AI model. I will use this high one in this example because in order to use deep web data, I need one of these two. If I leave this balanced and I go here where we have the new option and I select deep web plus citation, it gives me this warning, switch the power of AI models. It says you need to use the high and premium models to work with this deep web plus citation. Obviously, you can still have basic web access, so factual articles, but with the basic way, or again, if you want the new feature, you need to use this high or premium one, and you need to have the professional plan. Let's activate this readability feature. Let's say this 6th grade. And as you can see here, we also have the cost estimation in credits by using these features. I will not include images, it's not the focus of this video. I will not use SEO keywords. Let's use this statistical or fact hook brief in the introduction. I don't need tables, I don't need quotes, I don't need FAQs. Let's use this external linking. This is another of the new features. So let's say automatic, number of links 1 or 2, let's say at the bottom. Let's activate this deep web plus citation, and as you can see here, it scrapes more than 100 websites for statistical data. Source links, yes. Citation, yes. I will use an automatic outline in this case. If you want to see how these other options work, I already made some other videos about SeoWriting AI where I show the outline editor, where I show some other little things, and I think that's all. I can go on and run this one-click blog post generator. And here it is, this is my news article. OpenAI makes ChatGPT accessible without requiring signups. This was my title. And now I will scroll this article so you can read it by yourself. But let's take a look very quickly at this introduction. OpenAI has made a big change. Now you can use ChatGPT without making an account. This action shows OpenAI's intent to make technology easy and open for all. It means everyone can enjoy ChatGPT's cool features right away. And we have the first citation with the number 1 here. Let me click. And this is an article from Wired, where they talk about this ChatGPT thing. We have the same citation here. It's again the number 1, so I suppose it's the same article. Okay. We have key takeaways. Access ChatGPT with 0 sign-up. OpenAI's move catapults the accessibility. personalize your conversation experience. With the memory future, data and memories can impact future AI developments, conversational AI reaching new heights, and so on. New era of accessibility, instant use of ChatGPT. I will not read all this article, I just want to see some of these citations. This is the number 2. We have a CNET article. We have an interesting citation here. This reminds us of when calculators came out in the 70s, and I suppose this citation will be something about it. This is an article from June 2023. I suppose they talks about this specific thing in that article. This is why we have this citation. Exploring the capabilities of ChatGPT without signups. We have this number 4 citation. It's by Forbes. So as you can see, it's using very high quality and authoritative sites as citations. We have the number 5. This is from Anaconda, and so on. As you can see, we have many citations, even number 7, number 8. And here is the conclusion with a series of 10 source links, and I think these are the same sites used in these citations. Wired, CNET, Forbes, we have New York Times, and so on. This is pretty good, pretty interesting. Again, you can stop the video and read all this article while I scroll it, so you can see if you like it, if you like the writing style. It's a pretty news style, I will say. It's well written, and this is how you can write articles, even news articles, but any kind of article by using these new features. Now, let's copy all this article and let's go here in this Hemingway app so we can see how the readability is with the new feature. And here it is, we have a grade 6. We asked for grade 6 and we have a grade 6. This is pretty cool, and we have a good result here. Maybe you can do some little adjustments if you want, but it's pretty good for a one-click blog post, I will say. And here it is. This is the quality of the articles you can have now with this last update from SeoWriting AI. If you want, you can even compare with the original article where I just took the title. I didn't use the URL or this data in specific. I just used the title to generate similar news, but you can find this article on the Reuters.com site. And that's it for this video. Again, this is the new professional plan. It's $79 monthly, or yearly it's $59, but I have a special discount code if you use my link in the description. In this case, you can write up to 150 articles per month, but you also can connect your OpenAI API key, obviously. You have unlimited words here, external linking. Internal linking is coming soon. You have a deep web factual data, you have auto citations, API are coming soon, and even the brand voice is coming soon with this professional plan. With the starter one, you have some limits, but you still have basic web data, and this is not bad at all. You can use GPT-4 or your OpenAI API key, you have quality images, you have readability mode. So I hope you enjoyed this new video about SeoWriting AI. I hope you found all these new updates interesting. I think they are pretty cool. This tool is becoming better and better. If you like what you just saw, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. And if you want to watch for my other SeoWriting AI videos, you just need to click here. Thank you very much for watching until now, and I'll see you soon in the next video.